Like, oh, can not only know, but what the hell can you know?
Yeah,
Oh, that's nice.
He bought me a really nice one that's in my car. It's a really nice one. It's on the rearview mirror. Fleur de Lis.
nice one. Whoa. Sure sparkly.
Yes, thank you guys. You guys compliment each other so well. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that one.
Cool. It's actually in shiny light blue.
It is a shiny
Mama,
blue.
let me get it.
And look, it has gold specks on it too.
Yeah.
Mama, can I see?
Yeah.
Dang.
Oh, yeah.
Back.
Thank you guys. I love you guys. Thank you for coming.
Oh, that's cool. You can take pictures of it too.
Do whatever with this phone.
Colors and you can wear your different outfits.
I can, and I am. I already got one for the car. He gave me one on a couple days ago. That's in my car. It's a really nice one too.
Well, you had one for my car.
That grandma. I'm gonna
Grandma,
do
do you
that.
have one for my car then?
I know. That Mimo. We're gonna do that Mimo.
By the time you get on the road, hopefully the rest of us are all retired.
I know that's right. Shit.
What? I didn't know it was maybe
Yeah, I know
Okay,
you
this one from me.
because you are the most scatterbrained.
Tell him again.
Shiny squirrel has
Yes.
got shite on you.
Shiny squirrel.
Oh.
Gotta get it.
This is from Tamika. I think it's great we're getting older. The world can use a couple more feisty old ladies.
What does it say?
Today is all about you. Smile. You made it another year. Some days have been harder than others, but you are. I don't think I'm taking
Sit, son, sit. Stay
But you are
focused. Sit.
strong. You know I'm always here for you, no matter what. Remember your worth. I love you, my friend. Mika and Monty.
Get Monty.
Yeah. Eminem. I'm a little Eminem. What about that for when they get married? We don't have to get special autographs. We just use the regular M&Ms.
M&M's.
Just work out
M&M's. Yeah, there we go. M&M's.
Where my cup at?
Gone.
They're gone.
To breathe with love. Oh, to be loved. Are you loved? Loved.
Love.
To be loved. Oh,
Is that from them as well?
No.
Who's that from, Mom?
Oh, I think it's from Miss Josie. Best wishes from my daughter-in-law. You are special to me, not just for bringing happiness to my son's life, but into my life as well.
That's nice.
Aww. Renee wrote in
Oh.
Happy.
He's definitely his grandpa's shadow.
That's cute.
Yes, he is.
Well, what do you mean by grandpa's child?
Oh, happy birthday, Bri. We love you very much from Josie and Shanky and the girls. Thank you, guys. She was a pick for me. Look, you got that, Mom. She probably got me something cute.
She got decent taste.
Yeah, she do. Yeah, your mama be dressing. You know, as you know, when she come over at church, she be ringing the doorbell. I'm like, you just came over here to the front to say you look good, huh? I did nothing else. Miss Josie ain't had no other.
She dressed to go to choir rehearsal. My mom, it was choir rehearsal. You did not that dress up.
It's a dress.
It's a dress.
That is nice. Oh, your color too. How did she know?
Cool.
That's your color too. She knew that. I don't know how she figured that out.
Mom, call me my voice box is not working.
And tell her thank you, Shaky, Brene, Diamond, in the crew, wrecking crew. Yes, the wrecking crew. Me and your auntie, you can go back like 4 flats, go boy.
Yeah, they do.
No.
Almost too well.
Hey, hush up.
Yeah, diamond coat.
Yeah. You shake it. We got us some good memories.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
Sit down, boo boo.
A purse.
Hush up, boy.
Whoa, that thing is. Woo, that's a backpack purse.
Can I see, Mama?
Oh, Betty Boop.
Mama. Wait. I need to get that.
That's cute.
Can I see? Whoa, it's cool.
Everything you want can go in there.
Yes, it can.
Everything you own can go in there. That thing is
Work bag.
big.
That's my new work bag.
All glistening and glimmery.
Glistening and glimmering. Okay, here's the card. Oh, it's so pretty. Love you so much, daughter. A generous heart, beautiful smiles, goodness and sweet, talent and style. From the very beginning, a dream come true. So many things to love about you.
How sweet. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Meow.
No, good for Bippity Boppity Boo.
Bibbidi boppidi boo.